When you're ripping lumber on the table saw, the blade you choose plays a huge role in both the speed of the cut and the quality of the finished edge. A dedicated ripping saw blade can make the job faster, smoother, and easier on both the saw and the material. The Infinity Tools 10-inch by 24-tooth ripping blade is designed specifically for this task, delivering efficient chip removal, reduced friction, and clean rip cuts that are often ready for glue-up right off the saw. The ripper is designed specifically for cutting with the grain during ripping operations. The 24-tooth configuration is optimized to remove material efficiently while maintaining a smooth, accurate cutting edge. It's an ideal choice for ripping hardwoods, softwoods, and even plywood or sheet goods when fast, efficient cuts are the goal. Rip cuts in thick stock work best when there are at least 3 teeth engaged in the wood at a time. Less, and you'll get unwanted chatter. More, and you run the risk of overheating or burning your cut. The blade uses a flat top grind combined with an aggressive 20-degree rake angle. This tooth geometry is particularly effective for ripping because it helps pull material through the blade with less resistance. The result is faster feed rates and a straight, flat cut surface that often requires little or no additional cleanup before glue-ups. Large gullets between each tooth allow the blade to remove chips quickly and efficiently during heavy ripping operations. By clearing chips more effectively, the blade runs cooler and reduces the chances of burning, especially when working with dense hardwoods or making longer rip cuts. Efficient chip removal also helps maintain consistent cutting performance throughout the cut. Infinity's chrome armor coating adds another level of performance and durability. This protective coating reduces friction as the blade passes through the material, while also helping to prevent pitch and resin buildup. In addition to improving cutting performance, it also helps protect the blade from rust and corrosion. Precision laser cut expansion slots help control vibration and allow the blade to run true during operation as heat builds. This helps maintain blade stability and contributes to smoother cuts and quieter operation. The blade features a precision steel body paired with durable C4 micrograin carbide teeth. These carbide tips hold their edge longer than standard carbide and can be resharpened multiple times, extending the working life of the blade. During ripping operations, the blade's aggressive geometry and efficient chip removal produce fast, controlled cuts with smooth edges. You can't beat Infinity Tools Chrome Armor circular saw blades for smooth, clean cuts and long-lasting durability. Add one to your basket and upgrade your shop today.